Hello everybody and welcome to your Pixlr demonstration. We're currently on the website pixlr.com, Pixlr.com. In years previous, I have been teaching all of the students how to use the Pixlr editor, which is the original version of the Pixlr platform. However, it is based off of Flash, which is something that basically the entire internet is phasing out. Therefore, we are actually going to be learning today about Pixlr X, which is the new version of Pixlr. So if you take a look at Pixlr X, you're going to see that there is the following loading screen. One of the things that I'll point out is that what will be really great about Pixlr X eventually is that you will be able to tie your Google Drive directly into it, whether you're using a Chromebook or not, and you can save your work and so on and so forth. But right now, if you click on it, it says will be available next update. But that's okay, because on a Chromebook, when you click here to get a photo, instead of this, which pops up for me because I'm using a Windows computer to record this, you will have a screen that pops up that allows you to select photos from your Google Drive. So if you prepare a bunch of photos in there that you want to use, or you collaborate with somebody on a folder of photos for your project, you can easily find that folder inside your Google Drive. There will be like a little navigation thing on the side here that says Google Drive. For now, I'm going to upload my faculty photo, because no one can accuse me of using their photo later on down the line. I was going to use one of my children or something like that, but you never know how it's going to be received later on. So, you know what? I'm the only one who could get upset about using my own photo, so we're going to do that. But let's go back here for a second just so I could show you more about the opening thing. You'll see here now that in my history is the 2016 faculty photo. One thing that I would like to point out to you, however, is that if you're using a Chromebook and you save a computer picture to your hard drive, it will be gone when you log out. So it is not recommended to do that if you are planning on that being the only place where you keep your photos. It'll go away as soon as you log off your computer. Google Drive is a much better option. However, if it's a one-time thing, like you find a photo on the internet, you download it to your Chromebook, and then you load it up in Pixlr, that should be fine, and you can work on it. But just keep in mind that that picture will be gone the next time you log out and log back in. So history here is shows everything that I've been working on, and I can have that history because, like I mentioned, I'm on a PC. You do have a Create New tab, which is where if you wanted to, let's say, just draw something, here's where you'd be able to choose your canvas size. But what's really interesting over here, and something that's new to the Pixlr X version of things, is just that you have this stock photos option over here. So if you search things that you're if you have a photo in mind that you want to do, this is access to a library of thousands and thousands of photos of whatever you can think of. So let's assume that your project is about a boy and his dog. So you could type in cartoon dog, and then you would get all these options. Well, it looks like you don't really have too many options here, but I guess you could say, how about dog? And you get all of these options. Now, let's say you did want to look up a cartoon dog. Well, you could just go look in Google search, find a cartoon dog, and save it to your hard drive for use right away, or save it to your Google Drive for use later on. So for now, you could just see that any kind of keyword that you want is available through stock photo searching. So it's definitely a very cool option for anything that you want to do. But we're going to go ahead and use my photo for this experiment. We're going to stop this part of the screencast here, and we're going to start with how to edit a photo in the next screencast. Thanks for listening.